Hello, this project will show you about passive filter and its analyzing. So let's start. Let's start the Matlab first. Okay, then first we have to install the app I designed. So we have to go to app tab. Then here is install app. This option. Then we go for install from the folder which I kept this. So this is my uh, app. So this .mlab install this is the file. So let's open it up. And though I have installed this earlier, so it's showing the installing. So let's see, we install that. Then we see here on my apps tab there is filter, which is my project topic. So here I have done give the details about this. So let's start this. So it's taking some time to open. So here it is. So in the first window we see here is three panel. Here is input panel. Here is input panel. Then here is command panel. Then here is output panel. So what we have to do is firstly we have to choose the filter type, and then we have to give the value of frequency. Then we can command here according to our wish. That is, here is three option: board plot option, data and error option, schematic element value option. So here in first page we see here is instructions how we can use this app. And here is the run button and restore close. So run button for run. Here is three run button in all over this app. Here is run, and here is run. And here is restore button. Restore means it will restore the apps and also and keep the it's a work like a restart. Then here is close option. So let's start with this. So we chose the low pass, then we select the RC series. So here I gave the frequency as 100, and I want to see the board plot, so keep run. Yes, that's the two plot. One is magnitude plot, and here is phase frequency phase plot versus frequency. And we can back to the home by this button and this button. They are the home button, and I can see the data and error from this button, and here is run, clicking run. uh, Here is the it's not clicking. Okay, here is the output. It's showing the ideal ideal plot and real board plot, and here is the error. Here is the error. There is so much error though. And because of this ideal, let's say it is cutoff frequency, it has the error. It's a relative error. So let's go to the third command. Here is schematic element value. So here is the schematic of our RC series, and here is the resistance, and here is the capacitor value. So let's do another. Let's go to home button. There it is, and we are now in home. So we can reset. Here is cutoff is 100, so we can reset the window by restore or this O button. So let's click on O button, and it's restored. So let's do this another time. Here is for bandpass filter. Let's do for RLC filter. So here is the frequency. I give lower frequency as 10 and upper frequency as 100. So let's do this again. Here is run button that I will click this time for here. Here is okay. There's magnitude and phase plot, and here is data and error. Let's run. Here is the difference. Here is the error, and here is the quality factor and bandwidth factor. As bandpass and bandstop filter has the values, there is the values, and here is the schematic element value. This is the schematic, and also here is the resistance and capacitor and also inductor values. So that's it from the example, and we can back to the we can restart by clicking O we can run by R, and we can close by a two option. It is close, another is close. So as I prefer this button, so close this app. That's it from this user guide, and have a good like. Tata.